Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Frigid air, ice and snow are spreading through the central and southern states of US, leaving millions of people without power. South to the east coast is also in the path of new winter storm and 2.1 million are suffering from power outages across 8 states. Winter's brutal assault has continued through Wednesday night as another snowstorm has roared its way across the US through the end of the week, hitting areas where millions were already without electricity in record-breaking cold. Much of the Texas and the Southeast will have to endure heavy snowfall and ice accumulations of light glaze of few hundredths of the inch through the Thursday. Heavy snow is forecast to work its way as far north as southern New England. Meanwhile, the southeast will also have contend with the slight risk of severe thunderstorms as well as the chances of tornadoes. More than 30 people have died because of the intense cold and series of storms that moved from coast to coast since the weekend. At least 13 children were treated for the carbon monoxide poisoning at Cook's Children's Medical Center in Texas. In Texas, more than 1.6 million homes and businesses remained without power late Wednesday night, and some also lost water services. Texas wasn't the only state contending with power issues. Other states where outages numbered in the tens of thousands included Louisiana, Mississippi, West Virginia, and Ohio. The snow and ice producer in US endures brutal blast of winter weather blamed for at least 20 deaths. An unrelenting winter weather pattern, one of the most merciless in years, showed no signs of letting up as it left a trail of destruction, power outages and sub-zero temperatures across the dozens of the states. More foul weather was on the way. In all, as of Tuesday, 11.15 million Americans were in the path of next storm all the way from Texas to Massachusetts. In the Chicago area, the storm dumped up to the 1.5 feet of snow, shuttering schools to in-person classes as officials urged residents to stay off the snow-filled roads. More than 50 million people could see temperatures deep below zero during the next several days, according to the Capital Weather Gang. Record-smashing cold accompanied the storm across the central US. Hundreds of the daily record low temperatures have been or will be broken during this prolonged polar plunge. Half foot of snow is expected for New York. Winter storm warnings were issued for multiple counties in New Jersey. Most of the region can expect to get 5 to 8 inches of snow during the storm, which will start on Thursday and linger into the Friday morning. The highest totals are expected across Long Island, New York City and into the central New Jersey, which could see 5 to 8 inches of snow. Once the storm moves out Friday, the weather is expected to be uneventful through the weekend. It's as if the world has been turned upside down, or at least its weather. You can blame the increasingly familiar polar vortex, which has brought a taste of Arctic to the places where winter often requires more than a jacket. Around the North Pole, winter's ultra-cold air is usually kept bottled up 24 to 48 kilometers high. Meteorologists call it one of the biggest, nastiest and longest lasting ones they have seen since at least 1950s. Even with climate change, we still have winter, and what we are seeing here is global cooling. We will talk on this topic later on. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.